Hello, in the previous video we learnt about various data types, container objects and variables. Now we will learn how to operate on this data using operators. We will begin with listing down the fundamental operators in Python. They are arithmetic operators, relational or comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and membership operators. Let us look into these operators in detail. Arithmetic operators. As the name suggests, they perform arithmetic operations on numeric data. The operators are addition, which returns the sum. Similarly, subtraction, multiplication, division. The division will always return the value as a float object. There is an alternative called float division, which renders the integer part of the division. The modulus operator returns the remainder of the division. Algorithms involving divisibility checks depend on modulus operator. The exponential operator returns the result of a to the power b. Relational operators. Relational operators are also called comparison operators. They compare two operands and return a Boolean result. Relational operators often used in decision-making algorithms. Equals operator compares for equality of two operands. Not equals, unlike the former, checks for inequality of two operands. The operators, namely less than equal to, greater than equal to, are used for comparing the operand values. Logical operators. Logical operators are and, or, and not. They are clubbed with two relations and returns a Boolean result. AND operator checks for both the conditions to be true. OR operator checks for either condition to be true. Not operator complements the Boolean value. Assignment operator. We have seen common assignment operator equal to, which assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. There are some compound operators in Python such as plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, etc. The expression a plus equal to 5 is similar to a is equal to a plus 5. Membership operator. Membership operators operate on sequence data. What is a sequence? A sequence is a collection of arbitrary number of elements. It may be a list, a string, a tuple, or a dictionary. Membership operator checks if the element is part of the sequence object or not. In and not in are the two membership operators. In checks whether the element is present in the sequence object, and not in checks if the element is not present in the sequence object. And based on the condition, it returns a Boolean result. Here we learnt about various operators such as arithmetic operators, relational operators or comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and membership operators. In the following video, we will learn about strings in Python.